Okay, welcome to the Wolf Barn, I call it. Yeah, the Wolf Barn. Really, it's a storage unit that I've had since 2012 that I've been putting the RoadTrek in. This is a RoadTrek 190 Popular 2012 model, 2013 coach build, naturally. Anyway, today's a DIY on how to replace your tail light bulbs or your tail light covers on a Chevy Express, a 3500. A couple of key points that I want to get to when I'm doing this, so that might help a lot of you guys out. So anyway, let's get right to it. Okay, a few things that you're going to need. You're going to need a socket wrench, maybe a 3-inch extension, a 10mm socket, I got a deep well one there. Now, I've tried this, and we're going to talk about this. This is a panel removing tool. Anyway, this is the taillight cover right here. I've already removed this one. This one goes on the passenger side. This is what I took off, and this is what we're going to replace it with right here. Now, I've seen these on a couple of RoadTreks already on the internet, on the YouTubes, and I've had these since last year, probably about October or so. And this is the first chance I've had to install it. But anyway, let me get ready here, and I'll show you some key points on getting this cover off. Okay, I've already got the lens cover off, the taillight lens off. Show you this. There's 3 nuts that you have to remove initially to get that taillight off, that taillight cover off. One is right here at the bottom, one right there in the middle, and one right up here at the top in the black cover piece. The issue is, I'll show you here on this side, there's also another bolt right under here to get the taillight lens off, and that is the beginning of taking the cover off, the top cover off. Now, I've already taken this off, and I want to show you this. There's 2 body clamps, one right here and one right here. They're just push-ons, 2 little white ones. 1, 2. And they fit into this hole and this hole up here at the top. There's also a 10mm nut right there that you take this off with, but you can't get to it to get it off without popping this first. Now then, to do that, to pop those white clips, they're body clips, you need a tool, which is a body tool, like this one here. You have to slide it in on the outside, like this. Let me try to get this in the camera, and then push it on in there. But that did not work on this left one, and I ended up breaking those little white clamps off of there. I broke those 2 little white clamps, and they're hard to find. I did find a replacement, but it's not the exact same replacement, but they look awful the same. They're yellow in color. Got these at AutoZone. They're called GM, let me see if I can focus in on it, 96217Ds. 96217Ds that look almost the same to do that. Now, on the passenger side, I had no problem doing that whatsoever. So let me get busy, and I'll start putting the new one on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, right there you go. They're installed, both sides. And in my opinion, they look a lot better than the originals do. A lot better. I hope this helps somebody out. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think and what you've done. And if you've had to change the light bulbs before and broke those little clips up there. If you know how to take that top cover off a little bit easier, leave some comments. Help somebody out. Until my next video, which will be my solar panel installation on the roof, we'll check you later.
All right. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, man. Hit that thumbs up too, man. Give me a thumbie. Make sure you stay tuned for my next adventure here. See what Shadow Wolf is going to be up to. See you later. May the Lord bless everyone out there.